You've probably wondered this before. What happens to your savings when political decisions directly shake up the financial markets? Today, Donald Trump has just made a move that could directly impact your assets. If you have investments, savings, or are planning for the future, this is news you can't afford to ignore. But here's the good news. What if I told you there's a way to protect yourself and even profit in the middle of this chaos? In this video, I'll reveal exactly how you can adjust your strategy right now to avoid losses and ensure financial stability. Stay tuned until the end to discover simple steps that could make all the difference for your financial future. Recently, Trump announced measures that are shaking up the stock market. This means more volatility, sharp drops, and uncertainty for both beginner and experienced investors. For many, this creates fear. After all, no one wants to lose money in an unstable political environment. If your investments are key to building your future, the concern is even greater. Imagine seeing years of savings devalued in just a few days, or worse, realizing you didn't take any preventive action because you thought it was too late. But here's the good news. With the right strategies, it's possible not only to protect your money, but also to thrive in the midst of a crisis. The first thing you need to do is diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider assets like gold, government bonds, or real estate funds, which tend to be more stable during times of crisis. Review your portfolio right now. Identify which stocks or funds are most vulnerable to political changes and reallocate resources to less sensitive sectors, such as commodities or technology. Knowledge is power. Study concepts like financial hedging, options, and other mechanisms that can protect your assets during times of volatility. These strategies don't just protect your money, they can also generate profits even in adverse scenarios. Let me introduce you to Maria, a beginner investor who faced a similar crisis back in 2016. By diversifying her investments and focusing on financial education, she not only protected her assets but doubled her returns within 2 years. She started by studying ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and learned to use technical analysis tools to identify buying opportunities during market dips. With patience, research, and discipline, Maria turned her portfolio into a source of passive income. You can follow the same path. Take these 5 concrete actions immediately. Conduct a complete diagnosis of your current portfolio. Identify risk areas and redirect resources to safer assets. Invest in ongoing financial education, whether through online courses or reading specialized books. Automate monthly contributions to maintain consistency even during uncertain times. Use technology to monitor performance in real time. One simple tool that can help is robo-advisors, which automatically adjust your portfolio based on the economic scenario. Remember, the market will always have ups and downs, but the difference lies in preparation. Now it's your turn to act. Today, we talked about how Trump's political changes can impact your assets. We saw that with diversification, portfolio, review, and financial education. It's possible not only to protect yourself, but also to thrive amidst a crisis. Keep in mind, the market always recovers, but only those who are prepared can take advantage of the best opportunities. Leave a comment below sharing the first step you'll take to adjust your strategy. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on finance and smart investing. The fear of losing money is natural, but it can harm your investment decisions. Learn techniques to control your emotions, like deep breathing, logical analysis, and consulting experts. Additionally, remember that the market always recovers. What matters is being prepared to face tough moments with a solid strategy. Successful investors know that success doesn't happen overnight. Create a long-term plan with clear goals and regular reviews. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. Let's look at some practical examples of diversified portfolios for different investor profiles. Conservative, 60% in government bonds, 30% in real estate funds, and 10% in gold. Moderate, 50% in ETFs, 30% in stocks, and 20% in bonds. Aggressive, 70% in stocks, 20% in cryptocurrencies, and 10% in commodities. High numbers grab a lot of attention. 29 tasty foods that help you lose weight. 17 tricks to save money, 26 simple ways to grow your assets. The key is to focus on strategies that work for you. Never start a business without knowing these 3 critical data points. Does that product really work? Don't buy it without watching this video first. Is it serious that you're still not investing in stocks? Be careful. You might be posting videos the wrong way. Revealed. 7 secrets to learning English quickly. What happens if you do something right every day? For example, what happens if you eat a banana every day? Or what happens if you post videos daily? It's all about consistency and discipline. Finally, remember that preparation is key. The market will always have its ups and downs, but only those who are prepared can seize the best opportunities. Take action today and start building a more secure financial future. So, what did you think of these strategies? If you've made it this far, you're probably really interested in protecting your assets and building a more secure future. Now is the time to act. Don't put off until tomorrow what can transform your financial life today. If you want to continue learning and delving deeper into the world of investments, click the subscribe button below. That way, you won't miss any valuable content that we'll be sharing in the coming weeks. And if this video brought any clarity or helped you in any way, help me too. Leave a like so that more people can find it. This makes all the difference to the algorithm and helps the channel grow even more. Now I want to hear from you. In the comments, tell me which strategy caught your attention the most, or if you're already applying any of them. Share your questions, stories, or even your challenges. I'm here to help. Last but not least, share this video with a friend or family member who also needs this information. You could be helping someone take the first step towards financial freedom. Remember, the market can be unpredictable, but with the right strategies, you'll always be one step ahead. Until the next video, and remember, financial success starts with a decision, and that decision can be yours now.